Let's take a look at Clapper app, which is right now going through the top of the chart. It's a new alternative to TikTok. So you can see here Clapper video, live chat, connection beyond content. As you can see right now, it's in the top chart in social networking. Here's how it looks like. It's been here for a while. This app is not just released, it's been for a while. You can see 20,000 ratings. Welcome to Clapper, one of the fastest growing social media platforms focused on promoting real lives, connections, and communities. You can see the latest trends in people's real lives as they unfold, as well as people's opinions and talents. Free to use, no ads, no BS, just real lives. Be heard, be seen, be valued. So you can post video, you can do it live, you can create radio, audio only experience, join groups, grow your community. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you can just open it up here. So that's just basically what you have. And then yeah, it's like you can just go and search through some different hashtags. You can discover videos, you can see all lives, shops, and then radios live. So if you go to live, you can just go to the live stream, and that's where it is. Then you can create your own live stream. So you can start a radio, you can start so you can just go and start radio. You can also step plus and upload a video. So then also you can just start live stream here. And then yeah, then you have your profile here. So that's just where it is. And here's your profile. You can also invite other people. But by the way, if you go to creator space, you can see referral program. And this is where you can just use like clapper.vip/Andrei. Feel free to use my code, and then I will get some perks. Maybe you will get some perks. So if you try to create an account, just use clapper.vip/Andrei. And that's just where you have it. Also, yeah, then you, of course, you can monetize in this app. You can just create your live streams, and then you earn in gems, and then you can withdraw them. So that's also kind of the idea here. My fam, and then so you can create different subscription tiers. That's what it is. Then my groups, you can create your own group in here. My shop, so you can also add items to your shop. So that's what it is. And then you also can get verified. You can get verified with Clapper creator verification, blue check verification, creator verification is required. So that's where you can get it. So yep, that's kind of the idea here. And then there are Clapper coins which you can get. You can buy them. So you have diamonds which fans are sending you, but fans buying these diamonds for coins which you need to purchase, or you buying coins and you sending diamonds to other creators. So that's how monetization works. Then you have some privacy and settings. Then if you want, you can delete your account from here. You have some setups, and yeah, so that's just how you get started. So quite advanced app here, a lot of features, so a lot of to explore. So try it out.